subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has finally launched the successor of last year launched OnePlus Nord smartphone in India as well as in the European market as OnePlus Nord 2 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus Nord 2 features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6, 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the OnePlus Nord 2 supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 119.7° field of view and a 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX615 sensor and it has electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Oxygen OS 11.3 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 65W rapid charging, and additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.1 by 73.3 by 8.2 millimeters and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus Nord 2 has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 27,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 29,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 34,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from July 26th in Grey Sierra, Blue Haze and Green Wood color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord 2 5G phone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.